Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a weekly plan with me in my ERIN CONDREN hourly life planner. So let's get started. So I did do a quick cover change. I got rid of the geode style cover and I put on this daisy cover that I actually haven't used yet. I think it's perfect for the summer. So we are going to open up to this current week. So it is currently Sunday. I'm a little late getting into planning or filming. I was supposed to film yesterday, but that's okay. We're gonna do some catch up today. I really like how this week turned out. I loved not using as many icons. I did use this and this, but that's about it. So I really love how this turned out. And I think I'm going to honestly move away from using icons in this planner just because I feel like that is what I do in my memory planner. And I feel like this, I want more of this style with just the icons. Of course, if they come with the, I'm trying to think of when the last, this one came with some icons, but also the new planner Kate kits, which I don't even remember the last time I used one. If they come with them, I will use them. But yeah, so that is last week. This week we are using this kit from Krissyanne Designs. It is an older kit, but I'm super excited to use it. Yeah, we just have these 4 sheets, but that is plenty. So let's get started. I already put the date dots down, and we're going to have to white out these dark bars. And something I was thinking about doing was incorporating this washi, which I'm going to need a new one soon. But I'm trying to think. I do have some hexagon, but I think I want this grid. So we're just going to, I don't know. Yeah, I guess we'll just place it down here. I mainly want to use this to cover up the whiteout because I don't love the way it looks. So we're gonna go a little bit past the line on both sides. Perfect, so it's covering up all that whiteout. Now let's see if this is going to look right. Because I know this isn't exactly long enough. There's still going to be a little bit on either side. There, perfect. I actually like that. Okay. I feel like it grounds it just enough. So I'm going to repeat it on this side. Perfect. Okay. So there are our date strips. Next, I'm going to attempt to put these down. And we're going to run into the same issue. So they're a little bit too short. So I'm going to leave a little bit of space on either side. Perfect. Okay. Now this side. Alrighty, so we put all our washi down. That is the most tedious part. Alright, so I think, okay. I am going to use this little half box to cover this because I don't want to use a full quarter box or full box in my sidebar. So there's that. And yeah, I think we're just gonna work on our sidebar. So at the bottom here, I'm gonna use the pink and the purple. Because again, I like to track those two habits. Let me focus on my sidebar. I'm thinking, okay, we can move that. I think we'll use these, so. Oh wait, okay, where is, so we have this little to-do banner. I think we'll put that right here. And then I actually haven't had much Happy Mail lately, which is good. So that will be for Happy Mail, and then the meal plan line. Okay, so there's our sidebar. I'm going to, I think, just draw in the sidebar, or the meal plan line. Perfect. Yep, I knew that was gonna happen. Okay, we'll have to cover that up with something. I extended the lines into my sidebar, and I don't know if I like it, but it's there. And I think I'm not going to use this now, and I will just find like a script or something. But we're gonna leave that alone for now. I think what I'm going to do, even though I said I wanted to move away from using icons, I think I'm gonna grab the fork and knife icons for within the lines. That's just something, like if I don't have little dots, I need these. So I will most likely be grabbing those. And yeah. So let's go in with our full boxes and our weekend banner, which I feel like I could grab some of this washi too. It is getting very gloomy. It was supposed to thunderstorm today, and then it said it wasn't going to thunderstorm, and now it's looking like it's gonna thunderstorm. So yeah, I'm pretty sure it will. Okay, so here is our weekend banner. I love that. That's really cute. I feel like as I've became a mom, I don't love thunderstorms. I don't know, they just kind of scare me. All right, we can use, I'm just gonna put these down. No rhyme or reason, I'm just going to slap them down anywhere. Okay, so there are our full boxes. I kind of made these sit on top of the meal plan line to cover up that pen smear. So we're all good there. And I like how it turned out. It's really cute. So let me see. That one is done. I'm going to use these for work. So let me see if I have enough. Pink, blue. Oh well, it's not that big of a deal. Okay. So pink. Blue. Purple. Blue. Okay, so those are for work. I'm getting all these pen marks and it's really irritating me. Okay. I know Planner Kate's anniversary sale starts here, so I really don't want to color block. So I'm gonna start throwing some like different colors in here. Although I could color block if I really wanted to. So we'll do that, and I'll find a little icon. Or you know what, I will use this little don't wait. That way if I want to order something, I don't wait. So, because it does end here. Let's see here. I really don't want these pinks by each other though. So I'm gonna switch this around. Perfect. I think that's all that's happening other than my videos. So for my videos and Instagram posts, so I think I might use these. But I don't know for what yet. Let me see something. So I think I'm gonna just, yeah, okay, so we're gonna use these. For my YouTube videos. And then for my Instagram posts, I am just going to use a dot marker, which I don't have the gray I use. Let's see if there's another color. Yeah, I might have to do some of this off camera, like after I'm done with this, because I don't have my gray dot marker. I like to use it in my bag out in the living room. Yeah, I can't even do my sidebar, but that's okay. So I'm gonna just go in and write some things in, and I will be right back. Okay, so I am done. I think I salvaged it. I think it looks pretty good, so I'm happy with how it turned out. Again, I just don't have my dot marker that I want to use, so I will fill in my Happy Mail that is still out and still has yet to come. Again, that is slowly dwindling down, so that is a good thing. And then I will insert my my Instagram posts right above that with just a dot marker. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you on Wednesday with another video. Bye.